Hey guys, ever since I posted my get ready with me, I've had so many questions about my skincare routine and so many compliments on my replexion. Yeah, it didn't sound right at first. Replexion? Okay, replexion. Your replexion. Yeah. Am I saying that right? Anyways, I've had so many compliments on my skin, and first of all, I want to say thank you so much. When I look at my skin, of course, we are our biggest critics. So I'm like, how is my skin so good? I don't know. Because I see all my blemishes, all my redness. I've lived in this skin for 25 years. But I just got out of the shower, so I wanted to share with you guys. I've worn my makeup every day this week, which is great. It's not a bad thing. But sometimes last night I slept in my makeup, and that's like a huge no for me. I always take my makeup off before bed. But last night I was just so tired. I had worked and it was just a really long day. So when I got in the bed, I was like, there's no way I'm getting back up and going to take my makeup off. So what I like to do, you see I'm trying to like hide a massive pile of laundry back there, which I'm doing a pretty good job, just gotta stay right here. So I wanted to share with you guys what I do on those days that not just the days that I forget to take my makeup off, but I like to do this deeper clean like once or twice a week because I don't like to exfoliate a whole lot. My skin is super dry, so if I exfoliate too much, it is like really bad for my skin. My skin will get so angry at me. So I wanted to share with you guys while I'm in the shower. That's like the easiest way I find to like clean my skin. Like the next morning when I've forgotten to take my makeup off or whatever, that's the easiest way for me. So when I'm in the shower, I use this Pond's Cold Cream Cleanser. This is so moisturizing, you guys. This is really good stuff. I love the way it smells, and it's like a super old brand. I want to say my mom used to use this when I was a kid, because when I smell it, it just reminds me of my childhood. I just really love this for like the first initial trying to like get my makeup off. And then what I'll do if I'm exfoliating, which I like to do when I forget to take my makeup off, is I use this St. Ives Fresh Skin Apricot Scrub. This stuff also smells really good. And it's just a really nice, gentle exfoliator, but you do want to be careful and not like scrub because it's already really grainy. And then after I exfoliate, I know this seems like a lot, but I promise it's not. I use this. I have a bigger bottle of this, but it's in my shower, and I have this travel size. It's the Cetaphil or Cetaphil, however you say it, the daily facial cleanser. I've been using this stuff for years, you guys. My skin loves this stuff. I like to use this Dixon's Pore Perfecting Toner with Witch Hazel. On the bottle it says fragrance free, and there's definitely not like a fragrance, believe me. It's like an odor. Now I can use it and it's just fine, and I'm super sensitive to smells. I'm telling you guys, when I first used this stuff, it was so bad. Like I had to hold my breath when I was doing it. So whenever you're doing anything like your makeup or skincare, you always want to go up. Like up and out. I don't remember who told me that, but you don't want to like drag down on your skin. You can see that it's not even really like bothering me, but I can tell a difference when I use this stuff and when I don't. And I usually use it like daily, every time I wash my face. Well, not every time, because I wash my face in the morning and at night is when I use my toner. So I'm just gonna let the toner dry it doesn't take very long, like a couple minutes. And then I go in with, everything is drugstore except for this. I splurge on my moisturizer because my skin is so dry. This is the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. This is so good. And I just don't find that the moisturizers at the drugstore do anything for my skin. I also like this because you do not have to rinse it off. Like you can just put this on because it's technically a mask, but I use it as a moisturizer. So you can just put it on and just forget about it. You don't have to rinse it off. So now that my toner is pretty dry, I'm just gonna take like this amount. Work it into my skin. It also smells really good. I'm gonna do like another little dab and just work it into the other half of my skin. If you have dry skin, you need this mask. It's just so luxurious. A lot of the times when I'm wearing this mask though, I usually know that I'm not gonna be wearing makeup. And I'm pretty sure you can use it under your makeup, but I like to just let it sit on my face as long as I can. And that is it, you guys. I know this is super simple, but this is just how I take care of my face. Sometimes it does change because I like to try new products, but a lot of the times when I find a product that works for my skin, I usually stick with that. Like the Cetaphil I've been using for years because I know that it's not gonna irritate my skin. And then the Summer Fridays is a new staple, but I'm definitely gonna repurchase it and continue to use that because my skin has just really loved it. I can tell a difference when I'm using these products and then when I'm not using these products. My skin is just so much better. Once again, I want to say thank you guys so much for all of your sweet words and your compliments. It means so much to me. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and got something helpful out of it. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.
Lately I've been feeling like you don't want my love.